Hey guys, today I finally got a chance to unpack all the gaming merchandise I bought last month from Japan. They're mostly Final Fantasy and Monster Hunter themed items, including this Moogle, but I do have an Elden Ring figure and some other games. So let's get started. This one is a Final Fantasy XIV job pin. They obviously have all other jobs and classes, but because I main Paladin in the game, at the moment at least, so that's the Paladin pin I bought. This is what's called acrylic stands. They're recently very popular for some reason. You can find them on all different kinds of gaming characters. They have almost every single person from Final Fantasy XIV, but as it turns out, the most popular one is Ishtola, and that has been sold out, so I got Thancred and Ryan. They also look fantastic. Do you know this year is 35th anniversary of Final Fantasy franchise? So when I was checking out, they gave me this magnet for free as a souvenir. It has a beautiful Warrior of Light on it, and it fits in very well among my other magnet collections. Now this item is what I've been waiting to open. It's the art book from Final Fantasy XIV, the latest expansion and Walker. It has all kinds of original art and design for Ann Walker. I won't be showing you every single page this time, but do let me know if you want to see what's in the book. I can make another video for it. Okay, it's time to move on to this Elden Ring figure. I remember walking in Akihabara, visiting different game shops, and I saw this figure almost in every single shop. It's almost like it was saying to me, please buy me home. So I did. Now let's see what's inside. Close to Tokyo, there's a small town called Kamakura, and I found a shop that specialized selling this kind of stickers. They have all sorts of different gaming and anime characters, and there is an entire collection of Capcom games, so I bought quite a few Monster Hunter related stickers. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them yet, maybe post to my friends as gifts. not a plush guy, but some of these Japanese products are just too hard to resist. So including that Moogle, I also bought a feline to supervise my kitchen. And this iconic monster, and it turned out to be a Glavenus. Such a weird looking Glavenus. And of course, it's not a complete gaming merch collection without a t-shirt. This is not a t-shirt for myself, it will be for my cat. I have a Bengal cat, so I bought the largest size, but it's still quite small. Let's hope it can fit into it. Here's more acrylic for Monster Hunter, and then we got Hinoa and Minotaur. This is a gem I discovered in a Capcom shop. It's the Deviljho from Monster Hunter World. The packaging is so good, I almost didn't want to open it, but I will open it today for you guys to see what's inside. It really is a pickle. And you can also see our little handler is clutching onto his body. here are two things I don't know what they are used for, but they looked so nice and squishy, and when I saw the Zinogre, I just feel I have to buy it. In the shop they will stack up like this, and they also have other monsters. You can buy more of them and stack them up all the way to the ceiling. I did actually buy 2 games while I was there. Wolong is already opened because I have been playing it recently. And here is a pre-order code for a White Tiger armor set. Feel free to use it if you're in the Japan region PSN. I'm planning to start to play Wild Hearts in the coming days, so stay tuned for that. Now finally, I have this mystery box here. This is Final Fantasy VII, and it has 5 character figures in it. I will not be opening it up today, but I will make a follow-up unboxing video. And it's the same for this Monster Hunter mystery box. Capcom released multiple volumes for each entry in Monster Hunter game, and this is volume 23, it's the monsters from Sunbreak. I will also be making another unboxing video for this, so stay tuned for that. Now there you have it, that's all the gaming merchandise I bought this time. The gaming culture in Japan and Tokyo is phenomenal. I could have ordered all these things online, but being in the shop, browsing through items and discover gems is such an amazing experience. Now thanks for watching, and see you next time.